Did you know that foldable phones are projected to reach over 50 million units sold by 2025? Now, with technology evolving at lightning speed, is the Galaxy Z Fold6 the device that will shape the future of mobile tech? Let's dive into it. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Galaxy Z Fold6, a device that's not just another smartphone but a significant leap in the evolution of mobile technology. With its innovative features and stunning design, this phone is turning heads and changing the game for how we interact with our devices. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, previous foldable phones. While they brought some excitement to the tech world, they weren't without their challenges. Durability was a big issue. Remember that cringe-worthy moment when a reviewer found out the hinge could fail after just a few months? Usability also posed problems, especially when trying to multitask on a screen that wasn't quite ready for prime time. And performance? Let's just say, some of those early foldables felt like they were stuck in the past, struggling to keep up with the flagship competition. So, what did Samsung learn from these stumbles? Exploration/development. Alright, let's dig into the juicy details of the Galaxy Z Fold6. First up, the design. Samsung has really nailed the aesthetics with a sleek, modern look that feels premium in your hand. But it's not just about looks, the display technology is where things get exciting. The Z Fold6 features a stunning AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. Plus, the new hinge mechanism. It's smoother and sturdier, allowing you to open and close it with ease, no more worrying about wear and tear. And let's not forget the software enhancements. Samsung's One UI has been optimized for multitasking, allowing you to run multiple apps side by side without a hitch. This makes the Z Fold6 not just a phone, but a powerful productivity tool. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the groundbreaking feature that makes the Galaxy Z Fold6 truly revolutionary. It's the new Flex mode. This allows the device to stand on its own at various angles, transforming it into a mini workstation or a perfect device for video calls. Imagine being able to prop it up to watch your favorite shows or take video calls hands-free. This flexibility changes everything about how we use our phones, making it more than just a communication device. It's about enhancing your lifestyle, and that's what sets the Z Fold6 apart from the rest. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, the Galaxy Z Fold6 is more than just another foldable phone, it's a game-changer in the smartphone industry. With its innovative design, cutting-edge display technology, and the revolutionary Flex mode, it's clear that Samsung is pushing boundaries and setting new standards for what a smartphone can do. Call to action, CTA. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold6? Is it the future of smartphones, or just a fancy gadget? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with the latest tech insights, don't forget to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.